my channel. It's your girl Symone. If you didn't already know, now you know. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a wig review for AISI hair, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna keep these wig reviews coming. Make sure that you check out my other wig reviews. I will have them linked down below in the description box as well as up here. Also, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, what you doing, sis? Like, really? Like, you want to fight? Like, what's good?
Riley, what's good? Hey.
Subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe, thumbs up this video. Make sure that you turn on your post notifications by clicking that bell, and also follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's. Now let's go ahead and get into this review. All right, y'all, so this wig was provided to me by AISI Hair. So shout out to AISI Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this wig, you guys. The last wig review that I did was from AISI Hair as well. So go ahead and check out that video. It was super bomb, and go ahead and purchase that wig as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is the package that it comes in, just a standard Ziploc bag. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what goodies they sent us, because AISI Hair is always known for giving your girl goodies, okay? So they went ahead and they gave us 2 wig caps, okay? So far that's all I see actually. And then they also gave you a card that shows you how to take care of the wig as well. So that's very important too, because you do need to know how to take care of these wigs. So the wig is already in a net so that it can prevent it from getting damaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right. And take the paper out that keeps the form. All right, so this is their 14-inch wavy wig. This is in the color 2T30, so it is a mixed brown. It is very similar to the previous wig that I just wore, you guys. This is a little bit longer in length, and it is a middle part. So it does have some lace in the front, as you can see. And then I'm going to show you guys the middle part. So it does have a middle part. And then I'm going to go ahead and open the wig. So the lace that you were seeing is that fake scalp that AISI Hair is known for doing to give you that realistic part. So there you go again. And then the construction of the cap, let's see here. So it has 2 combs on both sides of the temple, a comb at the nape of the neck, and then 2 adjustable straps. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I am going to get my scissors and cut this lace as much as I could. There was a bit of shedding from me just cutting the wig, from me cutting the lace. So that was all from the front of the wig. So you guys don't really have to worry too much about there being like a whole lot of shedding, but there was quite some shedding when I did cut it, but that's to be expected. All right, y'all, so let me see here. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the strap. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and place her on. Now again, this is a middle part, so there is no defined part. So it's not like you can really part this any which way that you want. So I just want to put that out there so that you guys know what you're getting, what you're expecting. Okay, so I'm gonna come a little closer. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the wig down a little bit in the back. And just kind of pull it back just a tad bit. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see that the part is going to need a little bit of tweezing. I kind of already expected that and kind of knew that when I first saw the wig. But yeah, now seeing it on me, I would have to pluck this just a little bit just so that it can look a bit more realistic. But all in all, I think that the wave is really, really pretty. I think the color is pretty. it's actually very, very soft. Again, like I said in my previous wig video, which you guys definitely should go check out, the hair does not feel like synthetic hair. It feels very human-like. It feels very, very human-like. This is, you know, giving me, I don't know, like, this is kind of giving me like Wet and Wavy without the Wet and Wavy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you know what I mean. So it's a very cute wave. Let me go ahead and just comb this out real quick just to see what it's really looking like. And it doesn't seem like you were really gonna experience any tangles at all because of the length of the hair. This is 14 inches, so it's not at the length where it's going to be too long to the point where it's gonna start matting and tangling. I would have to say that out of all the synthetic wigs that I've ever used, AISI Hair's synthetic fiber is like top notch because it doesn't feel like synthetic hair. It feels like human hair. Again, I will have to go ahead and pluck this part for it to be more realistic. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the part, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys so you can see what it would look like. So I am back. I went ahead and plucked the part, and then I added some concealer just so that it would look a bit more realistic. And then I went ahead and shifted the wig just because I myself don't like middle parts. But if you like middle parts, then keep it the way that it was, sis. But I just wanted to go ahead and shift it just a little bit, you know, just shift it.
I did not try to pull it off. I did not want to pull it off. I just wanted to shift it a little bit.
Just so that, you know, I could have a side part. I really like it as a side part. I feel that it frames my face a whole lot better than it did just as a straight middle part. I wasn't really feeling that. But my thoughts on this wig are that this is a super cute wig. It is very affordable. It was $22.99, so it's not going to break the bank. And I think that AISI Hair did yet again a wonderful job with the color placement in the wig. This is like a mixed brown wig, so it's giving you different hues of brown, and I really love it. I think that this is a perfect wig for the fall time. Also probably for the summer and spring.
Spring, summer.
Okay.
September, spring, shows spring, summer.
Because it's not too long. This hair is not making me feel hot or anything like that. It's very airy. It's not heavy at all. Now, as far as the construction of the cap, I think that the cap fits wonderfully. I do have a small head, so it does fit my head with the adjustable straps. So it possibly could be big head friendly if you do not use the straps. But also I do have a wig grip on here, so it is just more tight and suctioned to my head because of that. But this is definitely something that is great for girls that have a small head like myself, because you know we out here with the peanut head.
I'm a little peanut.
You know, the little, you know, teeny weeny heads, okay? But I really like this wig, you guys. If you like this wig, I highly suggest you going down below into the description box and clicking that link and purchasing this wig, y'all, because it is super cute, very affordable, and you can just throw it on and go. Now, I will say I did do some customizations because that's what I prefer to do, but you don't have to. If you liked how the wig looks straight out of the bag, you can certainly go ahead and do that as well. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. It was just a personal preference of mine, but y'all should definitely go down below, click that link. It's gonna take you straight to where I got the wig from. Make sure that you guys thumbs up this video. Click that bell, that way you'll be notified of every time I upload a video. And also subscribe to the channel, y'all, because if you're not subscribed, like, what are you doing? Like, what's going on? What's really good?
Riley, what's good?
Okay, so without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram at Symone Stylez with 2 Z's, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.